What is up, everybody on YouTube? It's your man Alberto here with another video, and today's video is going to be on another dunk, but this one is going to be a dunk high. Normally I take L's on the sneakers app, let's be honest, but for one reason or one day I got lucky and this account managed to get me a pair. Now my true size is a size 9.5, but these are a size 9. Preferably when you get dunks, I do recommend going down half a size. Honestly, I might even say go down a whole size. And real quick guys, new season, which means new tees from Into the AM. They actually just sent over 3 brand new tees. They have the Solitude, the Dreamer, and the Impact tee. If you're looking for your next basic or essential tee, this is the place to go. If you're wanting an ultra soft fabric t-shirt with the premium fabric blend, this is definitely the way to go. And you guys can see it's a tailored fit as well. They currently have some bundles going on. Graphic tees are 3 for $65, basic tees are 3 for $45. And if you get a bundle, you'll get an additional 10% off. Now, if you use my code YOMANALBERTO, you automatically get 10% off anyways. Link in the description, guys, to check them out. And don't forget, use that code YOMANALBERTO to get 10% off your entire order. This is it right here, the dark curry highs. Now, this is a nice little tannish brown, and then you have like an orange rustic brown right here. And the cool thing, oh, my bad, I forgot to mention this panel. This is actually like a dark charcoal brown right here. And then overall, this is actually gonna be made out of suede. And then you have the matching laces right here. And if you don't know already by now, I love suede. It's just a nice material. It's not basic, it's a little bit different. My bad, let me turn that off. Once you open the shoe on the inside, you can see right there, the insole is gonna be that burnt orange as well. Your tongue right there is gonna be that dark brown in that nylon fabric. And then your midsole right here is going to be white, and then your outsole is gonna be a sail. And this is not even like a dark sail, it's a very light sail. Now, as far as this colorway though, this is definitely a colorway you wanna save for the winter and fall time. But obviously for me, I'm gonna be rocking all year round. But that's when it's gonna shine a little bit more. But because it is suede, guys, be careful. You do not wanna get this wet. Suede and water do not mix, okay? Keep that in mind. Now, these did retail for $120, and technically these are actually called the Retro Premium. But enough of the chit chat, guys. Let's jump to the on feet. Okay guys, coming back from the on feet. If you guys liked it, definitely give this video a thumbs up, as it helps others view this and helps bump me up in the algorithm so my channel can grow. That is very much appreciated if you guys could give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe. I do post Monday and Thursdays, and I'd love to see you guys here on the next video. Overall guys, like I said, I'm super happy with this shoe. I don't really take dubs on sneakers that much, so to get this, I was super happy. The colorway's not an everyday colorway, don't get me wrong, but I'm okay with that. As you guys can see, I have way too many shoes in the back anyways. I can't wear them all the time, so it's definitely gonna be a nice piece to throw into the rotation. And before I end this video, guys, please follow my Instagram at YoMonaBerta, where I do post daily, sometimes twice a day or even 3 times a day. And I don't think you guys would regret it. I do post a lot of sneakers and outfits, all that kind of good stuff. It's a lot of hard work I do put into the Instagram, and I think you guys would really appreciate it, just like I'd appreciate you guys to check it out. That's gonna do it for me, guys. So I want to see you guys in the next video, so definitely subscribe. So stay fresh and stay fly. I'm out.